In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to actually design emails with Figma for Klaviyo email marketing. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can move from a blank canvas to a ready-to-customize email layout that works beautifully with Klaviyo. First, open the Figma website in your browser. When you're in, open your design. This can be a fresh file or an existing project where you want your email to live. As you work, remember that most email designs are built around a 600 to 700 pixel width, which helps your layout display consistently across popular email clients. Next, click Actions. This opens Figma's Quick Action panel so you can get straight to the right tools without digging through menus. From there, click Plugin. This will take you into Figma's plugin area where you can run the tools that streamline email building. In the plugin search or list, click the plugin named Email Templates. This is the one designed to give you a solid starting point for structured, email-friendly sections. Once the plugin panel opens, click Email Generator. Think of this as a guided assistant that assembles common email modules like headers, hero sections, content blocks, and footers in a way that plays nicely with email builders such as Klaviyo. Now you're in the right place. Click Run. After that, set up your file and follow the prompts on your screen. The plugin will guide you through choices like layout styles, spacing, and section types. As the components appear on your canvas, feel free to customize everything. Swap in your brand colors and typography, adjust padding for breathing room, and rewrite placeholder text so it reflects your message. Keep text as live text, not flattened images, so it stays crisp and accessible. Use simple, reliable layouts and avoid overly complex effects that may not render in every inbox. As you refine, keep email best practices in mind: consistent spacing, clear hierarchy, and strong contrast for readability. If you plan for mobile, structure sections with flexible spacing so they stack neatly in a narrow view. Naming sections clearly, like header, hero, content, and footer, makes your handoff into Klaviyo smoother. When you place images, keep file sizes modest for faster loading. That's it. By opening Figma, launching Actions, running the plugin, selecting email templates, choosing Email Generator, and clicking Run, you're set up with a solid, customizable foundation for Klaviyo-ready emails. Follow the on-screen prompts, fine-tune the details, and you'll have polished designs ready for your marketing campaigns.